name is Aphrodite Star, and I'm making this video to tell you about the strange noises or seven trumpets. I imagine you all know what I'm talking about. If not, here's what happened last night at 11 p.m. in North Battleford. Scared? I think it was the dinosaurs. If you listen to this dinosaur, it sounds exactly like the sound that was heard last night. Please leave a comment or a video respond below. Keep your eyes and ears open and your ears wide, because you never know when the dinosaurs are going to strike again. This has been Aphrodite Star, here in Tasha 6 Productions. Thank you and peace out.